Red heart emoji on the Snapchat. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that what is the red heart emoji on the Snapchat. So guys, the red heart emoji on the Snapchat represents the highest level of the friendship, indicating that you and the person have been each other's best friend. This means that you have been sharing the maximum amount of the Snapchat stories and more with each other for 2 weeks. The red heart emoji is a step above the yellow heart emoji, which appears next to the name of your best friend when you have just become best friend but have not maintained that status for the 2 weeks in a row. So guys, to maintain the red heart emoji on the Snapchat, you will have to share the maximum number of the snaps possible with the person after whose name you wish to see this emoji on the Snapchat. So chat regularly with the missing single day and with each other on the Snapchat. So other emojis on the Snapchat presents different level of the friendship and interaction on the platform. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.